MeghalayaPost.news.
Wala kini Kyntait sungi balalen ki babun kino yalambat kino Nongkyrshan uba Renikton lengdo tongkar kilawan ban peneso shaka NPP bala keno ru ba muuru komu amli ula ban peneso shaka NPP enroi nakaliang presiden ke UDP uba Metbah lengdo ula Kyntait bak omdon kum katang ka uba Renikton lengdo tongkar unlej ban peneso shaka NPP haba crunch kilat pathai kubor uba Metbah lengdo kum presiden barang ba kasti UDP ula pensyai ru ba omdon jengtip ya kita ki Nongkyrshan ki ba peneso shaka NPP pat kilong laj lut ban lej Nongkyrshan shaka nugu parti bat kamdan ka jingte jingkhom yaki bat hakbai dei bat uam le pan kan ka don bante ban khom miu kumbalong hadu menta kamsham ladan kum kata ka jingkran bauba Renikton lengdo tongkar unlej ban peneso shaka NPP bat kiju yakendu na kapor bat yakran ru na kapor halor ki kam ka parti bat uba Renikton lengdo tongkar ula pensyai ru shaka parti ba umdan kum kata ka jingtmu ban lej peneso shaka NPP ong ba Metbah lengdo Shushu ulaban rapru dah kabaong baka parti UDP ka ngej scam baka jingklan ka parti kadai na ka Nongkyrshan kipat ba batkum ka parti ru ka kmi lenti ni angnut bagi sengriu lum kindan ka jingetli ne ban netre lang na kabenta ban syakri netre ka jingdan kam upat ba hapo ka jela.
See, supporters definitely it all depends. I don't know why, but they are free to move here and there from one party to another party, A to B to C to D. But elected members, they are not free to do that. They have been binded by the law, and they have to be, act and behave as per the law. So as of now, there's nothing as such that Renik is, leaving the party.
But sir, you are a seasonal. We can see it coming, sir. So in such a scenario, how do you tend to handle that, sir?
So you see, first of all, when it comes to how the party functions, we in UDP strongly believe that the people who are at the grassroots level are the most important people which you have to take into consideration before making any move or decision. So in this aspect also, I would like to say that we have already shared this, which the local party leaders at Meghalaya also is aware of, to look into the matter and examine and come back to us in case of any support or any kind of help they needed as far as party organization.
Have you got any response from
MLA?
Sorry?
Did you speak to him or did you get any response from him?
Yeah, I keep on meeting him. Almost every now and then I keep on meeting whenever.
So he made clear any?
Yeah, he made clear.
That he will be leaving?
Yeah, yes.
He made it clear.
There's nothing as such that he is moving out from the party as of now.
MeghalayaPost.news.